The main objective of Rolex was to increase the legibility of this watch, professional watch, in order to make sure that no confusion can possibly arise and probably give it a bit far more Rolex DNA. Note that the dial of Rolex Yachtmaster 2 now feature a triangle horn marker and 12 color and a rectangular horn marker. Add 6 color for more initiative reading of the watch instead of square markers all around the dial. 12 and 6 markers are now clearly distinguished from the rest of the display type. Analog case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 mm, case thickness 14 mm, band material stainless steel, band width 21 mm. For the rest, the Rolex Yachtmaster 2 remains unchanged. It still relies on 44 mm case water resistant 200 meter. An oyster bracelet to oyster lock folding safety clasp and eye linking 5 mm comfort extraction link. The central link of the bracelet remains published while the rest. It features a programmable countdown with a mechanical memory that can synchronize on the fly. While this might sound complex at first, while the display of its dial is rather unique, the Rolex Yachtmaster 2 is on the country an extremely initiated watch. Because the crown and the two pushers were already utilized to set the time, wind the movement or act on the start, the reset of the chronograph function, Rolex had to imagine a new way to set the countdown without adding a third pusher on the case.